Hi everyone, this is TJ with the Backpack Trader. In the last two videos, I was showing you some QQQ weekly charts, and you can see those videos to see why. Mostly because it's very low maintenance. It only requires 1 day a week to place and manage the trades, and I thought it would be perfect for a tax-free or tax-deferred retirement account. So in this video, I wanted to look at a daily chart. The daily chart works fantastic with this style of trading also. Only takes a few minutes a day or less to manage and place trades, and I want to walk you through some trades. This particular one in particular here, it's interesting because it's set up right here, and then on the next day it actually gapped below the entry and then moved lower. So this trade could not be triggered in, but you could still place the trade. You don't chase it down. When it comes back up, if it comes back up, then you take the trade, and it does. On the next day, it actually stabs up. You can see right here, hitting the entry, and that would trigger in the short trade. So if you click on the bar, you look at the data window, it's short at 346.50, and that would have me buying an August put. And so if you saw my other video, you would know that I like to use these stock setups to trade puts and calls. This would be a put because it's a short trade, and when I click on the entry, I could easily see the entry is at 346.50. So I'm looking to buy a put that's slightly in the money, and this is April, so I want several months out, so I have plenty of time left on the option. So for the sake of this example, let's choose a 347 put. Costs $25.50 approximately, so $2,550, but you have a chance to make some really big profits if you hit these targets. And so what happens is this. It ultimately works its way down. It hits target 1, so you could sell some of your position. That would be $18.03 for the stock, but it's $786 of profit per option. That's a 31% gain based on the cost of that option. And the stop then moves down and is starting to lock in profit. So the rest of your options, if you have additional positions, are being held for the bigger targets, but also they are now in a risk-free, even better than a risk-free position. Those would be profitable if the price were to come up and hit the stop, but it keeps pushing lower and the stop keeps coming lower. And when target 2 is hit, that's good for $28 in profit on the stock, but it's $1,420 something in profit on the option, and that's a 56% return if trading that 347 put option like I described. Then it comes down and actually hits, well, it looks like it hits target 3 here, and it's pretty darn accurate, but unfortunately it comes up and stops out here instead. And it stops out right near target 1, so you could expect that's going to be a similar profit, roughly around 30%. But you could see how this simple trading, you literally move your stop once a day, you set it up so that when the stock hits the price, the broker knows to sell your option. It could all be done in advance. It literally takes a minute or less a day, and this could all be done in a tax-free retirement account. That's the idea. We're going to build a roster of trade plans, so I hope you stay with me. You can learn as I go. I'm doing this for myself, but also for my members, anyone trading this wonderful strategy. If you want to learn more about this strategy, stay tuned. We're going to get into this deeper and deeper as we go. By the way, in case you didn't know, I'm using wealth charts. This is a wonderful platform. I'm really starting to like this more and more. This strategy works fantastic on wealth charts. All right, everyone. I'll see you on the next video. This is TJ with the Backpack Trader.